If your money tree leaves are turning yellow and dropping, it's a clear sign something is not right. From hidden trunk problems to watering mistakes, let me walk you through the exact reasons this happens and how you can fix it. Hidden bindings. First thing I always check right at the base of the trunks. Many braided money trees are sold with rubber bands or wires still wrapped tightly under the soil. As the plant grows, those ties start cutting into the trunks, choking them. This leads to yellow leaves, weak growth, or even one trunk dying before the others. Run your fingers down just under the soil line and feel around the trunks. If you find anything tight, carefully remove it. Sometimes this one step can completely change your plant's health. Seasonal leaf drop. Another thing to know is that some money trees naturally shed leaves in autumn. The leaves turn yellow, fall, and then fresh growth appears in spring. During this time, they prefer the soil on the drier side but still appreciate misting or running humidifiers for humidity. It's just part of their cycle. Root and pot stress. Yellow leaves can also mean the plant is stressed at the roots. If it's root bound, packed tightly in the pot, it won't absorb water properly. Temperature swings can make things worse. For example, keeping it above a radiator or near a vent where it gets warm and then suddenly cold often triggers yellowing. Repot if it's root bound in a slightly bigger pot like 1 to 2 inches. Snip off discolored leaves and keep the plant in a stable, warm spot with consistent humidity. Overwatering and mushy trunks. Now let's talk overwatering, the biggest killer. If one trunk is turning mushy or shriveled, I recommend removing the mushy trunk and trimming away any rotten roots immediately. Refresh the plant in airy, well-draining soil and let it dry almost fully before watering again. A good rhythm for most homes is about once a week, but I never water on schedule. I water only when the top half of the soil feels dry. The usual suspects. Of course, the other usual suspects also play a role. Too little water. If leaves turn yellow, crispy, and fall, the plant may be too dry. Check if soil pulls away from the pot edges. Feels bone dry? Give a deep soak, then let excess drain. And low humidity can cause crispy edges before yellowing. Money trees are native to the tropics, so they love humidity. Mist the leaves, place the pot on a pebble tray, or use a humidifier to give them that rainforest feel. Lighting is another big reason for yellow leaves. Too much direct sun scorches the foliage, while too little light makes the plant struggle to photosynthesize, turning leaves pale and yellow. The sweet spot? Bright indirect light near an east-facing window is perfect. If your home is dim, a simple grow light will keep your money tree happy. Sometimes yellowing is not about water or light. It's about pests. Spider mites, mealybugs, and scale suck the sap right out of your plant, leaving yellow spots and weak leaves. Check the undersides of leaves for webs, cottony clusters, or sticky residue. If you find them, wipe the leaves with insecticidal soap or spray with neem oil. Catching pests early makes all the difference. Normal aging. And finally, don't worry if just a couple of old leaves at the bottom turn yellow while new growth keeps pushing out. That's perfectly natural aging. Simply trim those leaves and let your money tree focus on fresh green ones. If you like the information, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.